Everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a Costco haul for you. This is a monthly Costco haul. I haven't done one of these in a few months just because I wasn't sure if you guys really like them, and I had someone respond to one of my videos and they said they'd like to see these and whatnot, so that's why I'm doing one. This is a Costco haul for pretty much the whole month of November. I know it's October right now, but I'll probably go again a month from this week. So when you see this video, it'll be a month and it'll be like close to the end of November. So anyway, let's get started. The first thing is I picked up these Zone Perfect bars. My husband likes these bars and I got these for him for snacking and for emergencies when he's on, working late or he's in a bind and he can't get a meal in. The next thing, they had organic pumpkin, and I actually need it for several recipes this upcoming month. So they have 6 cans. It was a pretty good deal, so I picked up that. I got some organic black grapes. These are seedless, yay. And I picked these up to put in lunches, eat for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. This is a new product at my Costco. This is the Go-Go Quinoa Spaghetti Noodles. I picked up that. It's 2.2 pounds and it was a pretty good deal. I've never tried this variety, so I'm kind of excited. And another thing is it's made in Italy, which really excites me because for whatever reason, when the product comes from Italy, if it's a noodle, it's good stuff. But if it's like made here in America, it doesn't taste well to me. I don't know what it is, but if it's just made by real Italian people or it's made in Italy for some reason. So we'll see how this tastes. The next thing is this LaCroix sparkling water. There's 3 varieties, cran, raspberry, berry, and tangerine. I picked up organic eggs. I like to use these in the morning for baking. I boil them up to make hard-boiled eggs to sneak in lunches and whatnot. I picked up this mozzarella. It was cheaper to go this way. They sold them in the little balls, but it's much cheaper to do this. And I just dice this, put them in lunches, use them for cooking and things like that. A big bag of clementines. I buy these for pretty much the same reason, for snacking and things like that. This was a pretty good deal. And clementines, they last a pretty long time. So you can have them a few weeks in your refrigerator. Organic broccoli. I like this for broccoli cheddar soup, to steam broccoli, to put in a broccoli recipe. It's a staple in our home, so that's why I picked that up. I needed bath tissue and paper towel. I love this paper towel because it's like double the roll and it lasts a long time. So I won't always have to buy these things for, every month. I buy them every, 3rd month, it seems like. Maple syrup, they are a pretty good deal on the maple syrup. And I do buy the Kerrygold there. The interesting thing is this butter keeps going up and up and up. I'm not sure why. Maybe there's a shortage of Irish butter. I'm not sure, or it's the demand. If you guys know, let me know why it keeps going up and up. The only thing I know is it's 4 blocks in here versus I think before they only had 3. So let me know in the comments below if you know. I picked up some organic blueberries. These were a little pricier, but it's really hard to find organic blueberries at a reasonable price, and this was probably the closest. I picked up some Spanish Queen olives for salads and snacking. Olive oil, it's a staple in my house. I don't know what to tell you. When we need it, we need it. I like this organic marinara sauce for spaghetti nights and other nights like that. I do like it because it's in a glass jar. I don't like the can ones, so that's why I got that. This Gillette razor pack, my husband needed this, so there's pretty much no explanation there. The Reynolds wrap is a pretty good deal, and there's a coupon for this month for it, and this is like heavy duty. So by the square foot, it works out. You think 2 for the price, but when you look at the square foot, this goes a very long way. We needed honey, and I usually get it from, I call him my honey man, but he hasn't had any in stock. I think it's just the season, so I'm going to give him another month. I think in another month he should have a bunch of honey. So this will get us till then. And black olives, and of course coffee, because I got to have my coffee every day, and laundry soap because we were out of that. So this is what we got for this month. I probably won't go to Costco again, like I said, till next month. And if you guys want me to do another video, then that's going to be closer to the holidays. Let me know in the comments if you like these monthly Costco videos. Give me a thumbs up. That also lets me know. And I will keep continuously doing them. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we will talk real soon.